Welcome to the Great Doggy Bake Off. The first recipe is chicken SatStay Biscuits. For this recipe, you'll need 65 grams of peanut butter, honey, egg, water, carrot, chicken, oats, and flour. Now we are going to pour the water in. Got a bit on my hand there. Next, we are going to put the chicken in. Oh!
Soggy chicken.
No, it's carrots next. Now you're going to do the peanut butter. It looks quite smudgy. What do we do next? Now we are going to mix it with this spoon. This is really smudgy mixing this. Mix, mix, mix the bowl, mix the bowl, mix in the bowl. I've mixed the recipe, now I'm going to put the egg in. Well, that chicken is looking soggy. Oh, it's cracking. Oh, I'm hoping that they on me. Oh.
Only one little bit of shell.
How? That egg is looking like the sun. I'm mixing the egg in. I'm giving it a really good mix. Now we're going to put the rolled oats in. Oh, there's so much of them. What's this again? Now we're going to do flour. It's getting so tall with these. Now we're going to mix all this together. Flour, flour, we're mixing flour. It feels like nice and fluffy. Now let me mix it in. Oh, it's hard work baking. Now you're going to take the flour and sprinkle it.
All over the table.
All over the table, why? Oh, my dough. I've got my dough and I'm going to roll it with this rolling pin. So hard. I'm twisting it so the batteries can go in.
First of all, we've got to get these onto the baking tray, haven't we? Right.
Now I'm going to make 6 butterflies and hearts. I think the dogs will like these.
Whoa!
A butterfly?
Do you want it?
Yeah. I'm going to do a heart now. Oh! Nice heart. They might remember this from last year. Now we have made all of our biscuits. Now we put it in the oven. Hello, biscuits are all done. Look at them all. We see if the doggies like them.
Oh, nice and too.
I can taste chicken.
Yeah.
That's all for this week.